Good afternoon, everyone. Jonathan Davis here with Davis AutoSports. We are presenting to you guys a absolutely gorgeous 2016 Z06 3LZ from the factory. Every single option that they offered in 2016. Competition seats, heads up, obviously side skirts, front valence, front mount camera system. Beautiful factory car. This is a one owner car, Carfax certified, guaranteed vehicle. This is a well over it's a 1,000 rear wheel horsepower car. Engine's probably right around 1,300 horsepower, multiple tunes, fully built engine, twin turbo setup. Car is an absolute rocket. Right now we currently have a 1,200 horsepower GTR in stock. We have a twin turbo Gallardo and this guy right here, and this thing is just insanely fast. Beautiful build, fully built engine. We'll get into all the specs in the actual listing itself. But original owner bought it brand new, enjoyed it for a number of years stock, and then built it, and it is a perfect car. Now these wheels came in a silver finish. We were going to repaint them or powder coat them. We didn't want it to make it a permanent finish. So what we actually did, and I'll give you some close-ups in a minute, did it the correct way. Took about a day and a half to do, but we actually plasti dipped them and did a glossify on top of it. The reason we went with the plasti dip, whoever doesn't want a black wheel, it's going to take 30 minutes to take it right off. So that's the only thing that we had to do to this car cosmetically. Of course, we did our full detail, paint correction, buff. This front valance is literally flawless. I'll give you some undershots of it as well. There's not one single rock chip or scratch on it anywhere. Just a beautiful, beautiful car. See the turbos through there? Four different tunes on the car. The last tune is a E85 tune. I think it was, I'll include it in the listing, but I believe 980 to the wheels. Has more in there, but that's plenty of power on a rear-wheel drive car like this. There are your front two cameras. Massive intercooler. I'm going to try to get as low as I can. That's a reflection right there. I mean, it's literally flawless. Even the underneath side is perfect. Original windshield as well. Removable top. Actually, just some of our writing from the shop right there. Like I said, this is a 3LZ car. Every single factory option. In addition, competition seats. Inside of the car is absolutely perfect. Ventilated seats, heated seats. Beautiful, beautiful seats. We have all the books and manuals as well. I'll open up the rear here in a moment. Check out those hard shell rear seats. Beautiful. Car's literally like new. All the glass has been tinted. I'll show you the engine bay one more time before we go out on a quick test drive. $19,000 miles. No check engine lights on of any sort. Interior is literally as clean as can be. All your preset tunes, custom tunes that is as well. A lot of things you can change with the G-Force 2 in there. Like how all that's tucked away nice and clean, doesn't look modified at all. The whole exterior, I mean, it's essentially a bone stock 1200 horsepower looking car. Beautiful setup. There's your meth as well. Top of the steering wheel right there, that's just a little bit of sweat. It's actually about 100 degrees. That's why you saw that big jug of water. That wasn't coffee. So usually our test drives are pretty spirited, but with the power that this car has, holding the steering wheel with one hand, cold tires, I'll get on the car slightly, but I'm definitely not going to do anything crazy. So if you're looking for one of those videos, this isn't it. Car drives completely stock, and I'll do the first portion of this normal driving. Handles just like a stock car. Car just drives perfect. 5% throttle maybe. What I'll do later on in the video is I'll actually have the camera out of the car back in the industrial park, and I'll do a couple pulls. Turbos sound great, blow off valves, car sounds amazing. It's definitely not a type of car that I can go crazy on with one hand on the wheel. Also currently running the first tune right now. Probably a good idea to put the seatbelt on. Just a great sounding car. You got the growl of the motor, the spool of the turbos, blow off valves. Some of these rocks get off of these tires. I mean, you just can't drive this car with one hand. I mean, that acceleration, although the RPMs got up, I may have been 45-50% on the throttle, it's still spinning out of control.